Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover tranquility in this 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house. Nestled in the peaceful neighborhood of Bridgewater within the coveted community of Discovery Bay, St. Anne. Occupying 0.57 acres. This residence is conveniently situated just 5 minutes from the picturesque Puerto Seco Beach. The property features a welcoming veranda, strategically positioned to offer breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea. With a covered garage and ample space for additional parking, convenience is paired with comfort. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 330,000 or Jamaican $50.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.